Good morning students. Today we will study class 7 exercise 13 and chapter number 13. In our previous class we have discussed up to question number 6. Now the question number 7 is given here. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line and the ray OC stands on it. See, this is your figure. It is given to you A, O and B and this one point C. Okay, after that this angle is given to you 3x plus 20 degree, and next is given to you this angle is your 2x minus 10 degree. 2x minus 10 degree. Okay, so stands on it. If angle AOC equals to 2x minus 10 degree and angle BOC equals to 3x plus 20 degree, find the value of x and also find angle AOC and angle BOC. Now what is the way to do these questions are, so we are doing question number 7. First of all, you have to write here given. What is given to you? Okay, in the question what is given to you? It is given angle AOC equals to 2x minus 10. After that, and angle BOC is given to you 3x plus 20. Okay, after that what you have to find? We have to find x and angle AOC and angle BOC. Okay, we have to find the value of x, after that angle AOC and then angle BOC. Now what you have to do, now next you have to write here proof. Okay, or you can except find here you can write to prove. Okay, you can write, first of all you have to write here given. After that what you have to find here, you write here to prove x you have to find, then angle AOC and then angle BOC. Now write here proof, or you can write the solution. By linear pair property, by linear pair property, okay, by linear pair property, angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. Okay, sum of angle 180 degree. After that AOC is given to you 2x minus 10 plus 3x plus 20 equals to 180 degree. 2x minus 10 degree, 2x minus 10 degree plus 3x plus 20 degree equals to 180. Now you can add this 2 and 3x will be your 5x. After that minus 10 and plus 20 will be your plus 10 equals to 180 degree. Then 5x equals to 180 minus 10. 180 minus 10. 5x equals to 170 degree. Then 5x equals to 170 degree. Now what you will do? X equals to 170 upon 5. Okay, x equals to 170 upon 5. Now so when you cancel out this 5 on the 5, 34 is 170, x equals to 34 degree. So the value of x we have find here 34 degree. Now what you have to find? We have to find angle AOC. Now angle AOC equals to 2x minus 10, it is given to you 2x minus 10 degree. Now to multiply the value of x is 34 minus 10. After that 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 68 minus 10 will be your 58. So the angle AOC will be your 58 degree. Same you have to do with angle BOC. When you are finding angle BOC, AOC equals to 58 degree. Now you have to find angle BOC. Angle BOC equals to 3x plus 20 degree. Now 3 multiplied by 34 plus 20. When you solve this, 3 multiplied by 34 plus 20, it will be your 122. 3 4 the 12, 2 carry 1, 3 3 the 9 and 1 10. 102 plus 20 will be your 122 degree. Okay, so angle BOC will be your 122 degree. X we have find 34, angle AOC 58, angle BOC will be your 122. X is 34, AOC 58 degree, angle BOC will be your 122 degree. This is the way you can do the other question. Now let us see question number 8. Okay. Question number 8 is given. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. This is your figure I am making here. This is your figure. -65 degree. After that, O, A, B, D and C. A, O, B, D, C. This is the given to you. And after that, in the given figure, AOB is a straight line and the rays OC and OD stands on it. After that, if angle AOC equals to 65 degree, angle BOD equals to 70 degree and angle COD is your X degree, find the value of X. Same we have to do here. Question number 8, given, what is given here? It is given here angle AOC, angle BOD and angle COD. AOC is your 65 degree, BOD is your 70 degree and angle COD is your X degree. To prove, we have to find the value of X. हमें X की वैल्यू इसमें फाइंड करनी है. Then what you can do here, since AOB is your straight line, you can see right here proof. AOB is a straight line, means the sum of all three angle will be 180 degree, because if the angle is making here, if we make any angle on straight line, it is your only 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle BOD plus angle COD equals to 180 degree. Now AOC is your 65 degree plus angle BOD is your 70 degree plus angle COD is your X degree equals to 180 degree, right? Add this 65 plus 70 will be your 135 degree plus X degree equals to 180 degree. Now X degree equals to 180 minus 135, so X equals to 45. So the value of X will be your 45. X की वैल्यू कितनी है इसमें? 45. This is your answer. Now the question number 9. Question number 9 is, in the given figure, two straight line AB and CD intersect at point O. If AOC is 42 degree, find the measure of each of the angle. This is your figure. It is given here 42 degree. Then angle A, O and D. After that here B and here C. Okay, you have to what is given here, angle AOC equals to 45 degree. Only the given point is given here. The what is given here, given is angle AOC equals to 42 degree. What you have to find, we have to find here in three parts, angle AOD, angle BOD and angle COB. First of all we will find angle AOD. Now first part, angle AOD we have to find. Okay, हमें angle AOD find करना है. Then proof. Okay, angle AOD we have to find, proof. Now see, angle COA plus angle AOD will be your linear pair. Angle COA and angle plus angle AOD will be your linear pair, equals to 180 degree. Write in bracket linear pair. After that COA will be your 42 degree plus AOD will be your, as it is angle AOD, equals to 180 degree. Now angle AOD equals to 180 minus 42 will be your 180 minus 42. So angle AOD equals to 138 degree. Angle AOD is your 138 degree. Now the second part what we have to find here, second part is your angle BOD. We have to find angle BOD. Okay, now we have to find angle BOD. So BOD, okay, here angle COA and angle BOD is vertically opposite angle. Okay, angle COA and COD. COA is 42 degree and angle BOD, both of them are vertically opposite angle. So the COA is given to you, it is your 42 degree. Okay, so angle COA equals to angle BOD. Why? Angle COA equals to angle BOD because of vertically opposite angle. I am writing here short form, V for vertically, O for opposite and A for angle. VOA, vertically opposite angle. So 42 degree equals to 42 degree, angle BOD equals to 42 degree. Angle BOD आपका कितना है, 42 degree आएगा, because I have told you angle COA and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles, so both of them will be equal. Now let's come to third part. Third part is your angle COB. Angle COB. You have to find angle CO and B. In first part we have find angle AOD. AOD हमने find किया है. जैसे COA एंगल COA एंगल BOD का वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल है, सेम एज इट इज angle AOD will be vertically opposite to angle COB. Right here angle COB equals to, and angle AOD is vertically opposite angle. Okay, vertical opposite angle है, so angle COB equals to angle AOD. Now COB is your 138 degree. COB AOD is given to you 138 degree. If the both of them are equal, so angle COD will be also 138 degree. Okay, so angle COB equals to 138 degree. Okay, we have find all three parts. angle AOD, angle BOD, and angle COB. Now let's come to question number 10. Question number 10 is same as your question number 9, so you have to do question number 10. Question number 10 is your homework. Okay, now let's come to question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 is, this is your figure. Here it is given ADC, A, D, C, B, and this is your O. Okay, this is your 74 degree, this is your X degree, this is your 100 degree, and this is your 56 degree. In this question, the hint is also given sum of all the angle around the point is 360 degree. So the sum of all angle around the point is 360 degrees given. Now in the given figure, OA, OB, OC and OD are such that, so first of all write here given AOB, angle BOC, angle COD, angle DOA. Okay, it is given to you 56 degree, 100 degree, X degree, 74 degree. Okay, this much is given to you. You have to find the value of X. Find the value of X. हमें X की value find करनी है इसमें. So now hint is given the sum of angle around a point. जितने भी angle हैं इस point के around में इनका sum 360 रहेगा. So proof angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA. AOB 56, BOC 100, COD X, DOA 74. Now add this equals to 360 degree. Okay, equals to 360 degree. When you plus this 56, 100 and 74 will be your 230. 230 degree plus X equals to 360 degree. Okay, so X equals to 360 minus 230. When you minus this, your answer will be X equals to 130 degree. This is your answer. Okay, so your chapter number 13 has been completed. Your course of UT second, periodic test second, is also completed. In our next class we will start revision. Okay, from starting chapter you have to do only question number 10, which is similar to question number 9. Thank you and have a nice day.